Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to use less data for calls on Telegram app that may help you to improve your experience on bad networks, but it will slightly decrease audio quality. So be sure to watch the video to the very end and you wouldn't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first open up Telegram app. Then get into settings and select data and storage. Then right here, just under the background download, you can easily find use less data for calls. And once you are on a bad network connection, you can enable this option in order to improve the quality of your communication. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.